Hi guys, I just wanted to jump on here really quickly to give you a video for after class today if you have some questions while you're writing your literary essay. So underneath today's classwork and today's class, the date, December 21st, you will find a couple of different things. One of them being your literary essay, which is right here. The other one being the text evidence document, and the other one is my example. So I continued writing the second, third, and fourth paragraphs of my literary essays just so that you guys have something to go off of, which I think might be helpful while you're writing this because some of us had a little bit of just a hard time figuring out where to go once we're off of class. So this is my example. So that first paragraph is our introduction paragraph. Again, we have the AGO, which is the attention-grabbing opener, how we hook our reader. And then we have the bridge right here. The bridge is like a quick summary of our story, not giving too much detail, but giving just enough to let our reader know what this book is about. For somebody that didn't read this book, we want to kind of give them a little bit of knowledge before they read the rest of our literary essay about what the book is about so that they have a better understanding. Lastly, in this paragraph, the last sentence of the paragraph is the thesis statement. We all have the same thesis statements. The only thing that is different is the word right here, and this will be your theme, whatever your theme may be. Responsibility, hope, courage, perseverance, and there's one more I'm forgetting. So then body paragraph number 1. Your first sentence is going to look just like this. The only thing that's going to be different is you can choose a different transition word, and then your theme is going to go in here, so you're going to insert that there. So I said, to begin, Georgina shows hope through her actions. In How to Steal a Dog, Georgina decides to come up with a plan to steal a dog in order to receive award money. She decides to steal a dog named Willie from a lady named Carmilla. This whole part right here, I'm giving background information. I'm giving a retell about the part in the story that Georgina showed through her actions that there was hope in our story. So you want to give a quick little background, not giving too much detail, but giving just enough of how Georgina showed hope through her actions in our story. Then you are going to use a text evidence example. So what I'm going to do is I put together that document that's on our Google Classroom, and I showed you where that was. And this is all different quotes that will help you in your story. All you have to do is go through one of these and pick one, and you can highlight it and copy it, whatever one you think fits into your story best. If you see one that you'd think of one that you don't see, send me an email and I can try and find it in the book and send it back to you. Some people might find it easier to go and find the text evidence first and then type this top part, but that is completely up to you. Just remember that after the text evidence, you are putting the last sentence on there. It's going to say that this proves or this shows, and that template is all in your literary essay template where you're typing your document, but you're going to write this proves, this shows, and you're going to, again, tie that theme back of hope back to Georgina's actions. Next, you are going to talk about Georgina's thoughts. Again, that same brief statement in the beginning. Then you're retelling the part of the story that this happened or that she showed through her thoughts that she had hope. And then you're going to go to that document again and find a piece of text evidence that will fit in there. Anything that we say, anything that we claim, we need to be able to support with text evidence. That is a huge part of 5th grade, and that's really what we're working towards. If you state something, I want you to be able to go back into the text and find evidence to support your reasoning. And then your last body paragraph, which is paragraph number 4, but body paragraph number 3, talks about the character struggle. So I didn't finish this paragraph just yet because I don't want to give too much away. But again, I'm starting with that brief statement. Finally, Georgina shows hope through her struggles. Okay, now that I've made that, I need to support it with evidence from the book. So I say that throughout the story, Georgina struggles not to tell Carmilla and Mookie about the truth about stealing the dog. She is nervous that if she confesses, she will lose her chance of getting the money to move out of the car. Her hope is just to move out of the car, really, throughout the whole story. So her not being able to do this is part of her struggle. And we saw that she struggled in wanting to tell the truth and not wanting to tell the truth. Now my next step is to go into that document and find a piece of evidence here that will support exactly what I just said. You're putting that right in here, and then you're making a statement. We'll talk about the conclusion later this week, but I just wanted to give you guys this video in case you have questions once we leave class. Feel free to email me and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a good day.